Hey everyone, welcome to today's new video. Today we'll talk about insertion sort. So in last video we talked about bubble sort. If you haven't checked that video, please do check it. I'll link it in the video. Now what is insertion sort? Now from the name it implies that we'll pick an element and insert it into its correct position. Now actually this algorithm does that only. So let's take an example 7 11 2 5 4 9. Okay. Insertion sort actually takes the subarray and picks the rightmost element and insert it into the correct position. Basically क्या करता है ये जैसे कि इसने ये वाला first subarray लिया. Now it is already sorted, so there's no point of inserting it into its correct place. Next we take this subarray. Okay. We take the rightmost element and check कि ये अपनी सही जगह पे इंसर्ट है या नहीं. Now in from this 7 and 11 this is in the correct position. Now it will take the next sub array which is 7 11 and 2. तो यहाँ पर भी लिख लेते हैं 7 11 and 2. ठीक है. Now this will pick this element 2 and it will insert into the correct position. So it will check with 11, 2 is greater than 11. It will check with 7, 2 is less than 7. So this is the correct position because इसके आगे कोई और element नहीं है. And the resultant array will be 2 7 11 5 4 9. ठीक है. Now next what will be the next sub array? तो यहाँ पे हमने 3 elements दिए थे. Now it will be the 4 elements 2 7 11 and 5 and the rightmost element is 5. So it now we will check this 5 in the sub array. So 5 is less than 11, 5 is less than 7 and 5 is greater than 2. So this is the correct position where this needs to be inserted. तो हमारा resultant array हो जाएगा 2 5 7 11 4 9. ठीक है. Next what will be our next sub array? Yes, it will be 5 and the rightmost element is 4 and iterate. This is the correct position. The resultant array will be 2 4 5 7 11 9. ठीक है. Now the next होगा this as a sub array, right? Yes. हाँ, यहाँ पे हमारा rightmost element कौन सा है? It is 9 and if we check the rightmost element in this sub array, so it should come somewhere here after 7 and before 11. तो हमारा ये array बन जाएगा 2 4 5 7 9 and 11 and this is our sorted array. So this is how the insertion sort works. Now if you talk about the time complexity and space complexity of this insertion sort, space is O of 1 because we are not taking any extra space for this algorithm. But time complexity हमारा हो जाएगा O of n square. कैसे? सी हम लोग हर आइट्रेशन में पूरा एरे ट्रेवर्स कर रहे हैं. पहली बारी में हम एक एरे ट्रेवर्स कर रहे हैं विच इज़ O of 1. फिर सेकेंड टाइम पे हम 2 एलिमेंट ट्रेवर्स कर रहे हैं, थर्ड पे 3, फोर्थ पे 4 एंड सो ऑन. टोटल जब हमारा पूरा एरे होगा तो हम मैक्सिमम n टाइम्स ट्रेवर्स करेंगे. सो इसका टोटल समेशन कितना होता है? n plus 1 divided by 2 which is n square plus n divided by 2. ठीक है. Now for a n which is very greater than, basically n square is very greater than n, तो हमारा ये टोटल टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बन जाएगा O of n square. ठीक है. So this will be our time complexity. Now we will write the code for it. Okay, so we'll write the code private void insertion sort. It will take the array as nums for int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus, int num equal to nums of I, int j equals to I minus 1 while my j is greater than equals to 0, and nums of j is greater than nums of j plus 1 equals to nums of j and j minus minus, and finally nums of j plus 1 equals to num, right? Okay, now we will run this our algorithm. So we have already taken this array. If we go to run, and we can see that this is now sorted 2 4 5 7 9 11, and this is the code for insertion sort. यहाँ पे हम पहली बारी में हम वो first loop is doing to take care of the sub array part, and while loop हमारा वो जगह ढूंढ रहा है जहाँ पे राइट मोस्ट एलिमेंट को इंसर्ट करना है, एंड फाइनली उसको इंसर्ट करके, एंड ये साथ के साथ वाइल लूप के अंदर ही सारे एलिमेंट शिफ्ट होते जा रहे हैं राइट में, एंड फाइनली वो एलिमेंट से अपनी सही जगह पे इंसर्ट हो जाएगा. दैट्स इट. ओके, आई होप यू एंजॉय दिस वीडियो. इफ यू लाइक this video, please do a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, please dislike this video and provide feedback if possible. I'll try to make more interesting and more engaging videos going forward. और अगर आपको कुछ लगता है कि कोई डिफरेंट चीज़ तरीके से होनी चाहिए तो प्लीज़ वो भी लिखिएगा. थैंक यू.